out here talking with some of these workers. They're glad this was voted down. And I can tell you, as we speak, there are plant-level UAW leaders from 37 different locals meeting about 2 miles from here with the negotiators for the UAW to plan their next move. Do they go back to the table with management, with Fiat Chrysler, or do they go to General Motors and Ford and allow some sort of a cooling-off period? As you said, take a look at the final numbers. It was a 2/3 no vote. It's the first time that's happened in 32 years. It's been wider margins at some plants, including with skilled trades. It was a 4-year contract. Here are the issues for the workers, why they said no. 2-tier wages. Workers hired after 2007 making less. This was not fixed in this contract. Talk of moving production to Mexico, especially with the small cars. They didn't like that. There was a healthcare co-op that was just vaguely worded, and skilled trades, they were concerned about their classifications being changed. Now, nobody from the top of the UAW or the corporation speaking on camera today. We only got a couple of statements, and one comes from Dennis Williams, who's the president of the UAW. We do not consider this a setback. We consider the membership vote a part of the process we respect. We also got this statement from Fiat Chrysler. The cyclical nature of the automotive business demands that while we must recognize the need for rewarding employees during times of prosperity, we must also protect against the inevitable market downturn. This agreement accomplished both of these objectives, but for the workers, they're telling their leaders, go back and get a better deal.
I didn't like the money. I didn't like the everything. The only thing good was they gave some holidays back.
They want to rework the health care, but they don't tell you anything about it. So you're not going to sign a 4-year contract and not know nothing about the contract, about the health care.
And there's another option already in the works, the S word, strike. What do these workers think about that? That's next hour at 5. For now, I'm live in Warren. Jim Kurtzner, the Now Detroit.